Today we have a video from Body Cam Report, and the title of the video is entitled Club Girl Turns Night Out into Multiple Felonies.
On October 12th, 2024, a woman was speaking to police about an altercation that took place inside a club.
You're just getting mad because I'm telling you not to touch me. Just don't touch me. It's that simple.
No, I understand. You gotta...
Idiot.
No, we're not losing, bro, he hit me first, not you.
I understand, man. I can't do anything, you know, we're the law. So,
I'm out, dog. I'm out. I'm ready to be out.
I know, I understand.
You never come to this fucking festival.
I told you we're gonna leave early, you know.
What do we need to leave?
You're gonna wait for them?
Wait for the station.
Right, who? Hey, this is Sergeant. He's a sergeant. You can tell him that I'm drunk.
I wait for Polito. I wait for Polito. She's requesting Sergeant.
No, I saw that.
Hey, tell Polito she's requesting him.
Hey, listen, you need to chill out. Hey,
Sir, he hit me.
you better aggressive. Stop it, bro.
He hit me. What are you talking about? You're outside.
I watched everything already.
You watch everything just because you got
Yo,
your
relax.
camera?
Yo, relax.
You're about to go.
Yo, some better.
First, what are you talking about? You weren't even inside, so you're talking like you know.
Bro, do you know who you're talking to?
Sir, he hit me first.
Doesn't matter. You're talking to a cop. Who the hell you think you are?
He hit me
And you already
first.
touched me,
I
and I
have
told you
proof
not to
of
touch
that.
me.
I have witnesses. It
Hey,
doesn't matter.
oh, that's
You're
Miami.
a cop and you got a camera.
Yo,
Are
some
you
better.
scared
50 with
of
me.
you guys?
50 with me. Yeah. Yo, back up. Yo, back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Yo, back up. Back up. Back up.
No, he's not gonna touch me.
Yo, on the fucking ground.
Whatever makes you feel better, bro. You're a piece of shit. That's the fucking huh? Whatever makes you feel
I'm trying to help you.
doesn't make you feel better. Go ahead.
Trust me, she'll make me feel a lot better than you.
Yeah, you're obviously you're manhandling me for no reason.
No, because I told you.
Manhandling me for
I
no
told you
reason.
don't
Look what
touch
a piece
me.
of shit
I
he
told
is.
you don't touch
Look
me.
how he's touching me. Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking piece of shit. Obviously you have home. Obviously you have home trauma, bitch. That's why you grabbing me like that, right? Why is he grabbing me like that? Exactly. Exactly. You don't know. That's why you're
Oh, the city of Miami. Yeah. I could. Yeah. Once I saw Club Space in that background, that's where Club 11 is at, around that corner and everything. Yeah, that's definitely Miami.
I don't know whose this is, but I just got that on there.
Listen, I'm gonna give you one warning. Okay, on camera. Get the fuck out of here right now. Or you're gonna sit in the back seat there. You should just fucking spit on me and we're not fucking playing those games.
But I got it on camera.
We have all the picture of him all sweat, mouth is open, and his ID.
Yo, I'm 5 by 5.
What?
I cuffed her. She kicked me.
Oh, no, are you kidding me?
Yeah, and she spit on me.
No, she didn't.
I swear to God. And she broke my camera.
No, she didn't. Are you kidding me?
When we put her inside the thing, she spit on it.
She broke my camera, she kicked me, and then she spit on me.
Oh my God.
All right, yeah, no.
She's 5 by 5. I can't go at me. She broke. It's on. I just can't go at me.
Hold on a second, I got you.
Nah, I'm just letting you know. Don't go at it. Nah, it broke.
What happened with it? Let me see.
He said he recorded it. This guy was the security guy said he
I don't think it's recording.
No, it is, Sarge.
Reset it. Turn it off. How did it break? It fell down?
Yeah. It shows resistance. See, look, it shows it's recording.
Yeah, but turn it off. I don't see a button.
Try it.
Let me see what it says. Yeah, but I don't even think it's not even flashing. Turn it on off. See if it turn it off. Go hard, turn it off.
I'm so sorry to bother you, officer. I'm not familiar with the area. Do you know if there's any like gas station or anywhere nearby that have a phone charger by chance?
Right here, there's a CVS. There's 24 hours.
Walking distance?
I mean, this is 11th Street. It's on 8th Street.
to get a charger. You need me to charge your phone? You want to buy one or you want to charge your phone for a little bit? What phone do you have? Yeah, you have one? 6311.
61?
6311.
Yes, stand over here.
Yeah, sorry, we're in the middle of something. Sorry about that. So,
Saving us right now.
what happened, bro?
I don't know, this girl hit the security guard and then...
Yeah. Man, good old Miami, man. Make me want to go back down there, boy. Woo! Listen, I'm telling you, Miami like that, boy. They got them down there, boy. Oh, man. But yeah, man, she's wild. The suspect and everything like that. You know what I mean? She's definitely out of pocket. Definitely got an attitude problem. She didn't even pay attention to her man or nothing. She wanna, be combative and all that stuff or whatever. But man, there's a lot of distractions in Miami, boy.
Something happened out here that...
You can't focus in Miami.
Transport for her, just come by them and stuff. We're not taking it. Because those days they all drop off negative. Ain't no two more nothing. No supervisor here. So this is the way we're gonna take this one out here. We're gonna transport this chick out of here. Where's Colito?
That way you're amazing. Thank you.
Where's Colito? Talking to the
What's your name again? Okay, what happened today, Jackie?
Exactly what happened. I was in upstairs with my friend. They looked at my bag. I have no drugs in my system, no nothing. I was dancing and some rich guy pushed me. And when I pushed him back off the fence, he called somebody. And the next thing I know, I was down here. I was talking to the security guard. She was a black female, and I said, "Ma'am, I didn't do anything." She goes, "Don't say nothing. Just explain everything to the people downstairs." I came downstairs. Little guy over there was cool as hell. Slammed me against the board. Put me in the handcuffs. That's why you gotta slam me. I'm not resisting arrest or anything. You guys have your camera. I appreciate you guys have your camera on. They don't have their camera on. They've been rude as hell to me. Okay? And I don't appreciate this. I'm in the medical field. And I don't appreciate that a nurse, when someone pushes them and they're having a good time, I have no drugs in my system. They have my wallet. They have my purse. You can see everything that's in my purse. I just want to go home. My friends left. They were in the corner trying to talk to them. They were being mean as hell. I just want to go home or take them to the station. I've been behind this car seat more than an hour.
Okay, we're gonna make sure all the paperwork is done so you can go, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you have any questions for us?
No, I just want to get out of here. I've been back here for more than an hour.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, no problem.
You know what's funny that you're wearing your camera, but homeboy over here is not wearing his camera. I would have loved to have a camera on when I got arrested. I would have loved to see that.
What's going on, brother? Alright. You got a pair of handcuffs.
Let me see what this looks like first. What I would say? First off, like your shirt.
Thank you, sir.
Where'd you get from?
Alina. The one that does, yeah.
Oh, down 22nd Avenue?
Mm-hmm. And Caesar sells the patches. Yeah, she's
She
always
got the patches and all that too?
No, Caesar sells the patches.
She sell the patches.
Caesar.
Oh, Caesar, yeah. Patches, yeah. What's this, a Club 11?
You know it, Club Space, Club 11, all the same.
See what I say? I said Club 11 around the corner. Come on, man. I've been to Miami a few times, boy. That's a fact. Listen, all my commentary ain't got nothing to do with the case. Yeah, let me rock out, man. I'm having flashbacks.
These your handcuffs, bro?
No.
No?
I think they're very nice.
No, his boyfriend's. Yeah, the one you held line on the report.
right? The one that walked out and said, hey, my camera's off, it doesn't work. That was a lie, right?
Man, she chatting. Just be quiet. She chatting, man.
You'll see me. Remember my face, though. Truly remember my face.
Ma'am, you need the water, use the restroom?
Some water, please.
Right here. You good, Chief. Yeah, be safe out there, man. What's his primary unit number, just in case I need to call y'all back?
Call me.
Yeah? Okay, I got you. Y'all gonna be there for a little bit?
Yes.
Whatever you need to do, just do it. This is not TJK though. I told him what I had to tell him. You're a liar, and I saw what you guys were talking about, and I'm gonna remember that shit. The guy that put the handcuffs on me, I remember him talking to his little friends, telling him, guys, my camera was broken and not charged. When I repeated what he said, you know what he did, officer? He put the window up. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. You guys have amazing officers working out here. Lying on themselves, lying on people. It's okay. And you can say I'm from 11 in space, but you don't see me drugged up like all these other people. Drunk? Yeah. Probably a couple of drinks, yes. But drugs, no, I don't do drugs. I'm not a joker. I don't do that shit. But having people lying on you, that's where it's not okay.
You still pending? Wow.
What's still pending? The report?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how much they're lying. Officer, can I speak to someone? Because what I went through, it's really not humane. I know you see me just like this. You're gonna judge me based on that.
I don't judge anybody or
Okay.
anything.
Man, they about to get off shift, man. They ain't trying to hear what she got to say. Look, you see what time it is? It says 7:46 in the morning, man. They probably get off at 8, man. It's the overnight shift. They ain't trying to hear nothing. They ain't trying to hear nothing. Or old timer right here probably just got in. But one of the two, man. They either just getting off or just getting in, but they ain't trying to hear what she got to say right now. Just come on, let them do their paperwork, sit there for an hour or two, and just be done with it. You have the right to remain silent. Just shh. Peace and quiet.
Let me tell you,
What's up here, what's in here? That's how it just be.
Okay. I just got there with my friend. I have three.
Male, female.
Check it back already?
No.
I ain't know.
He was even talking to the club. The officer's like, yo, my girl didn't do anything. I had three gin and tonics. I'm telling you right now, you can look at my credit card, everything that I just got. 3 gin and tonics. I'm dancing, some rich guy pushed me. I'm short, I'm not that tall. The guy was tall. So when he pushed me, it's anybody reaction. I went like this, my boyfriend grabbed me, don't push me. I pushed him. You know what he did? He pulled out a phone. He started going like this. Next thing I know, I got securities on me. But I see him when I told her, hey man, you pushed me, so don't say nothing. Wait till we get outside and you give your story. That's exactly what I did. When I get outside, obviously I know they deal with a lot of crazy people. They threw me straight to the cops. And I'm like, hey, listen, the guy, little guy, he started manhandling me. I go, why you manhandling me? I'm a little drunk, so I'm a little bit mouthy. I'm like, why you manhandling me? No, not him. He's super sweet.
Oh, you're sweet.
I'm like, not sweet, but he's a good officer. He's been treating me like the respect that any officer would treat any
Y'all need me
other
to stay until they
person.
get cleared, or?
Okay? There's no drugs in there. There's no drugs. There's no drugs right now. Okay? Literally, there's drugs. Sir, I work for Jackson right here on 12th Street. I'm an X-ray tech, and I work in the OR and spine. Okay, I work with really good officers, we're really good doctors. And the point that officers treated me like a piece of shit out there when I'm trying to talk to them and tell them my side of the story. You think I want to lose my license as an X-ray tech working at Jackson? No, I don't.
You're not gonna lose your license.
Well, that's how the officer told me, you know what the officer told me that wrote the report? You're gonna remember me because you have a felony. That's what he told me. A felony or what? So when he started manhandling me, I told him, why you gotta grab me like that? Oh, you think you're better? You're a man now because you grabbed me like that? So when I was talking to him like that, he got mad. So I'm gonna be honest because I was mouthy. I said, you're a man because you're handling me like this when I'm not even resisting arrest. So he slapped me like that. My friend's like, man, sir, please don't treat like that. She didn't do anything. They told my friend, get the fuck out of here. My friend left. And my friend looked at me like this. He goes, I can't do anything. It was like 5 of them Cuban. You know how Cuban squad is. If you ain't, they were there talking shit. And they had the window down. I heard the one that was writing the report on me say, guys, the camera was off. It wasn't charged. And I go, what did you guys?
You know, that's the one thing about a major city, you know, that honestly, I love to see it. You know, I love to see it. I love to see the diversity. You know what I mean? When you dealing with these these hillbilly kind of places, like it's just one race. You know what I mean? But when you dealing with the biggest cities, you know, Chicago, Miami, New York, like it's just Orlando, you know, it's just a nice mixture. Like this video was very refreshing. I'm not gonna lie. I'm seeing some black people. I'm seeing some white people. I'm seeing some Hispanics. Like it's just like, it's very refreshing. I'm not gonna lie, because we don't want to hear that. Oh, you racist and this and that. Nah. Equal opportunity here. Everybody can get it, man. Everybody going to jail. You was mouthy and all that stuff, whatever, and supposedly you spit on the cop. Now that I don't know. You know, there's no body cam footage of that, but you know, it is what it is. She should have just played it cool and just spent off. But you know, when you want to chit chat, whatever, you gonna end up talking yourself into jail. You know, that's how that go.
I heard what you say. They put the window up. I have nothing to lie. Obviously, I want to get to my cell quick so I can tell my God, my bell's mom, so I can get out of here quick because honestly,
Okay.
if someone pushes me and I push them by,
Yeah. I'll get it for you. I'll get it out. Okay, yeah.
The woman was charged with battery on a Leo, criminal mischief, disorderly conduct, battery, resisting officer without violence, and threatening a Leo.
Cooked. But I don't know. I would assume a lot of that would get dropped though. I mean, from the body cam, from what we can see, we've seen people do worse and get their charges dropped. So I would assume her charges would get dropped, you know, or she ain't gonna end up with no felony. Like she ain't gonna end up with no felony. I get officers like I'm gonna say like 3 out of 5. I mean, I think this whole case was just like a whole lot of whatever. Like, yeah, she's chit-chatting and, you know, but camera dropped. We didn't see much of that. You know, I don't know. I give him a 3. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.